Hey, what's up everyone? It's Bill Brown from iTurfApps.com. So I wanted to just film a quick review of a setup of a Google Plus Hangouts. As you can see, I'm actually on my laptop right now, and I just started a Google Plus Hangout, and this might look a little different. Google is now expanding to some more of their users what they call their Hangouts with extras, and it's really cool. You can actually share documents, you can share your screen, and some of us on the turf chats, John Kaminsky and I have been working pretty hard on trying to make those Hangouts the best we can, and we've had to utilize some third-party software to be able to share the screen and record the video. But it seems as though Google, with their extras, are coming out with some things that are going to allow us to eliminate the third-party software, particularly the screen sharing. So what I really want to show you tonight was kind of setting up a Google Plus Hangout, and now officially you can sign on either with your iPad or your iPhone, so we're going to show that. So here's my Google Plus Hangout, and right now I'm the only one in. It's showing that my camera is on, and it's only showing me. Excuse me, there I am with my flip. So I'm on my computer, and I've invited people to the Hangout. Nobody's on yet, but I'm going to join myself. You can see up here, it's hard to focus, but up top there, my flip is not focusing, but is the documents, and you can also pull up a sketch pad. Now there is a warning that comes up that once you do share a document, your email is made visible to everybody in the Hangout, so you just want to be careful of that. So let's go to my iPhone now. So I'm going to pull my iPhone up now, and I actually have the Google Plus. Focus is going to be difficult here. Actually, here's the Google Plus app on my iPhone, and you can see right there you're able to join a Hangout now. Again, this flip doesn't want to focus, so I'm going to tap on that to join a Hangout. As you can see, it pulls my camera up, my front-facing camera, which means it's using this camera right up next to my earpiece, and I'm going to say join the chat. And this is very much like FaceTime, and I'm going to kill my volume here a second. Okay, I just had to mute my volume on the computer, otherwise we would have had some major feedback. But so if you look on my computer, this is going to be a little tricky here, but on the left, the big screen is actually the iPhone, and on the right is the little pictures of everybody you'd see in a Hangout. Now the really cool thing is, there I am on the iPhone. The big picture on top is what the computer is looking at, or the other person would be seeing, and the little window down there on the right is it shows you what you're looking at through the iPhone. So cool thing with the iPhone is you can flip it this way, you get a little bit bigger screen. Again, top left, you see the little green box there on the left. That's going to show everybody that's in the Hangout. So if there were more people in the Hangout, it would show everybody that's up there. You have the ability, this is a little difficult for me, so I'm going to set this down here. But I have the ability here, I can mute my mic, I can mute my video, I can switch my camera or quit the Hangout. So I'll show you here, if I go to this, and I'm going to just tap on this real quick, I'm actually going to flip the iPhone camera around. Now it's using the back facing camera. You can see the little window down there on the right. Again, that shows me what my iPhone is looking at, so I know what people are seeing from me. And if I go to here, back to the computer, you could see the big screen on the left is what, if somebody was at my computer or I was in a Hangout with someone, is what they would be seeing from my iPhone. And then the windows on the right is everybody who's in the Hangout and their little window. So this is really, really cool. Right now you can use, I'm going to quit out of this Hangout here and just keep kind of chatting here. The really cool thing is that I tried, it works on Wi-Fi or on 3G, which is a bonus, because right now with FaceTime that Mac has come up with, which by the way only allows you one-to-one, you cannot use Wi-Fi, you cannot use 3G. It has to be over Wi-Fi. So this is really cool. We talked about on our iTurf chat, or excuse me, Turf chat the other day, how really neat this would be, because I can, if a professor or another superintendent has a Hangout going, or I can text them or email them or message them on Google Plus or Twitter or any other social media outlet, I can say, hey, look, I want to have a Hangout. I got something going on my golf course. let's take a look at what's going on. I can start a Hangout. I don't need Wi-Fi. I can show them exactly what's going on in the golf course. You know, maybe you have a meeting with your GM. Maybe you're in a situation like myself and you're with a management company. You want to discuss airification or some issues you're having on the golf course. Google, with this latest Hangout release, the possibilities are endless. One of the things I didn't show on here is that you can share your screen. Kind of walk you through here. I'd have to log back onto my iPhone. But here I do share screen, and it asks me, I've got 5 screens up, so it asks me what screen I want to share. I just hit, I want to share my Google screen, and I select screen. If I actually log back in, well, let's log back in on my iPhone here. Again, I apologize for the focus problem here. But there I am again. I can join the Hangout. And it's going to, should show my screen, although my computer's telling me we just had a Google issue. Yeah, Google just had an issue here. But had you logged on, you would have seen my screen sharing right on the iPhone. So again, if you're in a board meeting or out on a golf course, you need to share a screen, or somebody needs to share a screen with you, show you a document, maybe it's an Excel sheet, some photos, whatever. You can share your screen. You'll see it right on your iPhone or your iPad too. So this is huge. I know a couple guys were asking kind of how to set this up today. Again, you just make sure if you already have the Google Plus app, go to the Mac App Store, or excuse me, the iOS App Store on your iPhone, your iPad too. Download the update. If you haven't downloaded the Google Plus app, which I suggest you do, log into your iOS App Store, download the app on your iPhone or your iPad too, and this feature will be there. Again, nothing fancy. You just log into your stream on Google Plus, which you see I have up here now, and you'll see the little blue button that says Join a Hangout. It logs you right on. So the only downfall right now is that you cannot initiate a Hangout from any of your iOS devices, your iPhone or your iPad too. This also, by the way, works on Android for you Android users out there. So again, this is just a real quickie of Google Plus Hangouts with Hangout with extras on the computer and the iOS devices. This is iTurf app.